You will find Assets panel in the tab group at top right. If Assets panel is not visible, you can make it visible by going to Window menu and selecting Assets option. Assets panel has two tabs. 1. Default. 2. Custom. Default tab contains assets packaged with Animate. Custom tab contains assets exported by you. There are three sections in the Default tab of Assets panel. Animated section for assets with more than one frame, Static section for assets with one frame or images, and Sound clips for audio assets. Type full or partial name in the search box. Search results are displayed in the grid. Here's an example of searching for background assets. Note that search results could be across sections. Expand section to see search results in that section. You can toggle between grid view and list view by clicking this button. You can use predefined filters in animated and static sections for quick search. Choose from characters, props, and backgrounds in the main filter. Or choose from rigs, objects, or rigged objects from the secondary filter. Assets in the grid can be scrolled either using the scroll bar on the right or using Show Next or Top buttons at the bottom. Sound clips can be filtered for background scores or sound effects. Sound effects are typically much shorter than background scores. Click on Play icon to preview sound clip. Click on Stop icon to stop playing the clip. To use a clip in your project, drag and drop it onto the stage. The clip is added to the timeline. To use an asset, drag and drop it on the stage. The asset file is downloaded the first time. A new layer is added in the timeline for the asset. To export a symbol to Assets panel from your project, go to Library panel and right-click on the symbol. Select Save as Asset option from the menu, or choose Export Asset option to export to a file, which can be shared and imported in Assets panel later. This opens up the Export Asset dialog box. Change the asset name if you want to select components of the symbol. Add tags to help in search, and then click Save button. Asset is exported. To see the exported asset, switch to Custom tab of Assets panel. To delete an asset, select it by clicking on it, then click Delete button at the bottom right corner. Confirm the delete operation. To import assets from files, click on the plus icon at the bottom of a Custom tab of Assets panel. This opens File dialog. Select asset files you want to import. Imported assets appear in Custom tab. More assets can be downloaded in Assets panel from the web, at the bottom of Default tab in Assets panel. If Cloud icon is enabled, it indicates that more assets are available for download. Click on the icon to download assets. Assets are downloaded in small batches. Click multiple times on the Cloud icon to download more assets. Downloaded assets appear in Assets panel automatically.